Hi there, how are you? Today I would like to show you how I install new SSD and reapply thermal paste on CPU and GPU for HP ZBook 15G3. Let's start disassembly. This is a workstation laptop which you can work and play. Iron screw heatsink to proceed reapplying thermal paste for CPU and GPU.
That's made up, baby, that's made up all that we find.
And I also put new silicone thermal pad to put on top of the 4 chips around the GPU. For RAM card, it has 16GB DDR4, which is okay. But for SSD, I decided to use Quadro 256GB SSD, that is 3D NAND TLC, because the current NVMe SSD is DRAM-less, which is easily being worn out. From now, the Quadro SATA SSD will be used as OS, while the NVMe SSD will be a storage drive to contain data. The next part was I installed Windows 11 23H2, not 24H2. It is done. Let's have a look at those specs to know what CPU, RAMs, and GPU which the laptop has. After that, I decided to test browser Chrome by using YouTube.
You make me feel like a rebel, but I will not give you a reason to destroy me more.
As a result, YouTube video can be watched at 1450p 60, but with 4K, it will be struggle. Therefore, watching at 1440p 60 should be better. What about gaming? I test Mental Omega. It is the popular mod of Red Alert 2 Yuri Revenge. I can tell that it plays very well. what other games you can play. Here is the list of games you can play. How about Adobe software like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and After Effects? And here's are the facts that HP ZBook 15G3 can use. And that's all for now. If you like it, please like and subscribe my channel. Also, you can like my Facebook page. Check out in my video description. Have a good day. God bless.